Some plumbing jobs go smoothly while others turn into a mess, and the difference often comes down to the tools you use. Plumbing tools have evolved, and the newest designs on Amazon make fixes faster, cleaner, and far less stressful. From clever pipe wrenches to compact drain cleaners, these plumbing tools on Amazon that are worth getting help you tackle leaks, clogs, and installs without wasted effort. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or a pro on the job, these picks save time, reduce frustration, and make your toolbox smarter. Crooked cuts and crushed pipe ends are a common headache, but the Knipex TubiX pipe cutter makes them disappear. Built for precision, this compact cutter slices cleanly through copper, brass, and thin stainless steel without crushing or bending the pipe. The smooth telescopic feed keeps the wheel perfectly aligned, while the built-in deburring tool cleans the inside edge immediately, protecting O-rings and ensuring a tight fit every time. Swapping out the cutting wheel is quick and easy, saving time during repeated jobs. Ideal for tight spaces, the Knipex TubiX pipe cutter is a must-have plumbing tool available on Amazon for anyone who wants fast, reliable cuts without guesswork. Removing tight faucet nuts becomes way easier with the RIDGID Easy Change faucet wrench. Built for those hard-to-reach spots behind sinks, its long, slim design slips where normal wrenches can't, letting you get a grip on mounting nuts and supply line fittings without fighting your hands. The ends are shaped to hold common hardware securely, while a protective plastic insert keeps finished surfaces safe. Inside, a solid metal core delivers the torque needed when stubborn nuts refuse to move. Perfect for DIYers and pros alike, the RIDGID Easy Change faucet wrench turns frustrating, knuckle-busting jobs into smooth, controlled work. Available on Amazon, it's the kind of plumbing tool you don't realize you need until you use it. PEX connections become much more reliable with the iCrimp PEX crimping toolkit. Interchangeable jaws handle all common PEX sizes, keeping your toolbox lighter and more organized. Every crimp delivers consistent pressure thanks to the ratcheting mechanism, ensuring secure fittings whether you're assembling manifolds or running supply lines. A built-in crimp ring removal tool fixes mistakes without cutting long sections of pipe, saving both time and effort. Perfect for beginners and seasoned plumbers alike, the iCrimp PEX crimping toolkit makes precise, leak-free connections simple and dependable. Available on Amazon, this tool turns tricky PEX jobs into controlled, repeatable work. Sealing off drain lines becomes effortless with the Oatey 33403 plastic plug. Designed for 4-inch DWI openings, it fits snugly into flanges and cleanout, blocking water, debris, and stray tools from entering. Ideal for pressure tests, rough-ins, or temporary shutdowns, this plug keeps work areas cleaner and prevents unexpected messes. Durable plastic construction handles typical job site conditions, yet removes easily when the task is done. The Oatey 33403 plastic plug may look simple, but it quickly proves indispensable for anyone who wants to protect their work and keep plumbing projects under control without hassle. Tight spaces no longer limit your work with the Knipex Cobra XS water pump pliers. This tiny 4-inch tool delivers serious clamping force on nuts, fittings, and small valves thanks to its self-locking jaw design. A push-button adjustment lets you set the jaw width precisely, eliminating constant readjustments mid-turn. Hardened teeth keep the grip secure even on rounded or stubborn hardware. Compact enough to fit in a pocket or tool pouch, the Cobra XS shines when full-size wrenches just won't fit. Perfect for everyday plumbing fixes, these pliers turn tricky, cramped adjustments into controlled, effortless work. Once you start using the Knipex Cobra XS, it quickly becomes a go-to tool that you rely on without thinking twice. Connecting pipes doesn't have to be slow or messy thanks to XFITTING push-fit fittings. These clever fittings let you join copper, CPVC, or PEX pipes with a simple push, no soldering, glue, or special tools needed. A stainless steel grab ring holds each pipe securely, while an O-ring ensures an instant watertight seal. If something isn't aligned perfectly, the fittings can be removed with a disconnect tool and reused, saving time and materials. Lead-free and safe for drinking water, XFITTING push-fit fittings make repairs and installations faster and cleaner. Available on Amazon, they're a go-to plumbing tool for anyone looking to simplify pipe connections without sacrificing reliability. Tight spots under sinks and behind toilets no longer have to slow you down with the Laisgoo Angle Stop Wench Kit. Each wench head grips valve bodies and compression nuts precisely, letting you apply controlled torque without risking damage. Multiple sizes in the kit cover a range of fixtures, making it useful throughout the house. Working on older shutoffs becomes far less stressful as the wenches provide clean contact and steady leverage. For installations, replacements, or maintenance, the Laisgoo Angle Stop Wench Kit turns frustrating, cramped work into a smoother, faster process, saving both time and effort, while protecting valves from accidental damage.
Routine drain clearing gets a serious upgrade with the MEISTERFAKTUR Drain Snake 2. It turns any standard drill into a powerful drain cleaning machine, spinning through hair, soap buildup, and grime far faster than hand-cranked snakes. Flexible enough for sinks, tubs, and showers, it protects fixtures with a centered guide, while the neat storage system keeps the cable tangle-free. Homeowners and service pros alike appreciate how the MEISTERFAKTUR Drain Snake 2 makes stubborn clogs far less frustrating, delivering speed, control, and reliability in a compact package available on Amazon. Solder-free pipe connections get a serious upgrade with the ROGVOC Propress tool. It uses press fittings to create secure, leak-free joints without open flames or flux, making copper pipe installations faster and safer. The cordless, brushless design delivers consistent pressure every time, while interchangeable jaws cover common pipe sizes, so one tool handles multiple jobs. Ergonomic grips help maintain control in tight spaces or overhead work, and the efficient press system eliminates cooling delays. Available on Amazon, the ROGVOC Propress tool turns time-consuming soldering into a clean, reliable process, making it a must-have for serious DIYers and professional plumbers looking to save time and reduce mistakes. Removing push-fit fittings becomes effortless with the iCrimp CRQ01 Disconnect Tong. This compact tool evenly depresses the release collar on copper, CPVC, and PEX fittings, letting pipes slide out smoothly without twisting or prying. It's perfect for repositioning a slightly misaligned fitting or reconfiguring lines without wasting pipe or components. Small enough to reach under sinks or wall cavities, the iCrimp CRQ01 Disconnect Tong adds convenience and precision to any push-fit plumbing setup. For plumbers and DIYers who work with push fittings regularly, it's a simple tool that saves time, reduces waste, and makes adjustments far easier. Cut PVC or plastic pipe becomes much easier with the Misurel PVC Pipe Reamer Kit. Each reamer fits a specific pipe size, smoothing the inner and outer edges to create a clean chamfer that helps fittings slide on and solvent cement bond evenly. It works especially well on saw-cut pipes, where rough edges and burrs are common, preventing leaks and weak joints. Compact and simple to use, the Misurel PVC Pipe Reamer Kit saves time and frustration, turning a messy cut into a precise, ready-to-connect pipe. Once you try it, it quickly becomes a must-have for any PVC plumbing project. Tight spaces under sinks become far less of a headache with the GrenPro Basin wrench. Its long shaft and pivoting head reach behind the sink bowl effortlessly, letting you grip mounting nuts directly instead of awkwardly twisting at odd angles. A self-tightening jaw increases grip as more force is applied, which is perfect for older or stubborn hardware. A telescoping handle adds extra reach while keeping leverage strong, making installs, replacements, or stopping a spinning faucet base much more controlled. While it takes some patience to position and isn't the comfiest for long sessions, the GrenPro Basin wrench turns what used to be a frustrating, guesswork-filled task into a smooth, manageable one. A broken pipe stuck inside a fitting stops progress fast, but the Pilispark pipe extractor tool makes removing it much easier. Each extractor bites into the inside of the pipe, allowing you to back it out cleanly without harming the female threads. Once in place, a wrench or ratchet turns the extractor until the piece comes free. Multiple sizes cover most household pipe diameters, so you're prepared for different scenarios. It requires patience and steady pressure, and extremely corroded pipes may still pose a challenge, but when it works, it saves hours of cutting, replacing, and tearing into walls. For older plumbing systems, the Pilispark pipe extractor tool preserves existing fittings and avoids unnecessary replacements, making a tricky repair far more manageable. Tight spots make copper pipe cutting a headache, but the HAUTMEC Pro automatic copper tube cutter handles it with ease. Designed for a single half-inch pipe size, it clips on and keeps constant pressure on the cutting wheel as you rotate, tightening automatically with each turn. No fiddling with knobs mid-cut means overhead or cramped work is far less frustrating. It only handles half-inch tubing, but that covers a lot of common residential plumbing tasks. Cuts come out clean and square, making fittings slide on and solder reliably. For anyone doing repetitive pipe work in tight areas, the HAUTMEC Pro automatic copper tube cutter turns a tricky, awkward job into a smooth, predictable process. iCrimp IWISS 1632AF Copper Tube Fittings Crimping Tool. Manual press work on copper pipes can be tricky, but the iCrimp IWISS 1632AF makes it straightforward. Built for specific copper press fittings, its interchangeable jaws let you tackle multiple pipe sizes with a single tool. Long handles give the leverage needed to create solid, uniform crimps without electricity, which is handy in tight spaces or unfinished areas. It does require more effort than powered press tools, especially on larger pipes, but it delivers consistent results every time. Using compatible fittings, each press comes out clean and repeatable. For small projects, occasional jobs, or as a backup when batteries run low, the iCrimp IWISS 1632AF is a reliable, practical solution that keeps press-fit plumbing simple and precise. Everyday plumbing tasks often demand a reliable pair of pump pliers, and the Klein Tools D50410B handles that role with ease. Its adjustable, multi-groove jaws fit a wide range of nuts, fittings, and valves without constant repositioning. The cross-hatched teeth grip firmly, making stubborn hardware feel manageable. At 10 inches, the pliers balance leverage and control, sliding into tight spaces under sinks while still giving enough torque for most jobs. Soft finishes can be marked if you are not careful, but for general gripping and turning, they are solid and dependable. They do not replace specialty tools, but they bridge the gap between large pipe wrenches and smaller adjustable tools, helping routine plumbing adjustments feel precise, controlled, and less like guesswork. Klein Tools D504-10B proves its worth as a versatile, everyday plumbing companion. PEX systems with stainless steel clamps can be tricky, but this 2-in-1 Ratchet PEX crimping tool makes life easier. Combining tightening and removal in one piece, it ensures each clamp is fully secured before releasing, helping prevent leaks from under-crimped fittings. The built-in removal feature lets you fix mistakes or swap fittings without cutting clamps, which saves both pipe and hardware. Designed for common cinch clamp sizes, it fits most household PEX jobs without fuss. It can feel a bit bulky in tight spots, and the ratcheting action is slower than a quick squeeze, but the reliable, consistent crimps make up for it. By reducing the number of tools you need on the job, this tool keeps your workflow simpler, cleaner, and far less stressful. The 2-in-1 Ratchet PEX crimping tool becomes indispensable once you start doing regular PEX installations or repairs. Metal tools can easily mar polished plumbing surfaces, and the Smart Jerry rubber strap wrench solves that problem with finesse. Its wide rubber strap wraps around pipes, filters, and fixtures, giving a secure grip without scratching delicate chrome, plastic, or decorative parts. Irregular shapes are no problem, as the strap conforms evenly for smooth turning. While it can't match the raw torque of steel wrenches, it handles traps, filter housings, and faucet components reliably. Lightweight and simple to use, it complements rather than replaces traditional wrenches. For jobs where looks matter or surfaces are fragile, the Smart Jerry rubber strap wrench provides controlled, safe turning without the risk of cosmetic damage. It quickly becomes a go-to for careful adjustments in tight or visible spaces. Getting precise marks on curved pipes is always tricky, and the Anblak magnetic pipe center finder takes the guesswork out of the equation. Its magnets hold firmly to round surfaces while you mark center lines or set angles, creating a stable reference where eyeballing usually fails. Adjustable settings let it fit multiple pipe diameters, making it versatile for branch layouts, drilling, or saddle placements. Accuracy depends on careful setup, but the effort prevents misaligned cuts or wasted fittings. Lightweight and straightforward, this tool brings reliability to plumbing and pipe fitting tasks that often rely on intuition. For anyone serious about clean, repeatable layouts, the Anblak magnetic pipe center finder ensures your marks are correct the first time, saving frustration and rework on complex projects. Unexpected drips can make even simple plumbing repairs frustrating, and the Sumglicie pipe water stopper kit tackles that problem head-on. Each tool slips into the pipe and expands to temporarily block water flow, keeping solder joints dry and fittings clean while you work. Multiple sizes cover common household pipes, making it versatile for kitchens, bathrooms, or utility lines. Placement takes a bit of practice, and it's not a permanent fix, but when used correctly, it saves both time and stress. Instead of waiting for drains to empty or fighting persistent drips, this kit keeps repairs controlled and efficient. For anyone dealing with stubborn water flow during plumbing work, the Sumglicie pipe water stopper kit turns a slow, messy process into a more manageable and predictable task. That wraps up our list of new plumbing tools on Amazon that are worth getting. Grab the ones you need before they sell out. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe for more tool guides, and drop a comment telling us which tool you can't wait to try. Thanks for tuning in.